Hi children, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to do the remaining questions on page number 146. Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the points where a circle of radius root 2 centered on the point with coordinates 1, 1 cut the axis. Here the circle centered on the point O with coordinates 1, 1 and its radius equal to root 2. We have to find the coordinates of the points where the circle cut the axis, which means A and B are the points on the axis cut by the circle. We have to find the coordinates of A and B. M is the point on the origin and coordinates of M is equal to 0, 0. First we have to join OQ and OP. OQ is parallel to MP and is equal to 1, which means the point P is 1 unit away from the center. Similarly, OP is parallel to MQ, which is equal to 1 because the point Q 1 unit away from the center on y-axis. Here, first we have to find the coordinates of B. B is a point on the x-axis. We have to check the point B is how many units away from the center on x-axis. Here MP equal to 1, we have to find PB. Consider the right triangle POB. OB equal to root 2. Hypotenuse equal to root 2 and altitude equal to 1. Next, we have to find PB by Pythagoras theorem. PB equal to root of root 2 the whole square minus 1 square equal to root of 2 minus 1, which is equal to root 1 equal to 1. Next, given that MQ equal to 1, we have to find the length of AQ. In triangle AQO, hypotenuse equal to root 2 and base equal to 1. We have to find the length of AQ by Pythagoras theorem. AQ equal to root of root 2 the whole square minus 1 square, which is equal to root of 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Next, the coordinates of B. Its x coordinate equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and its y coordinate is equal to 0 because that is the point on the x-axis. Next, the coordinates of A. So what about its coordinate? Yes, it is 0 because it is the point on the y-axis and its y coordinate is 2. Therefore, the coordinates of A equal to 0, 2 and coordinates of B equal to 2, 0. Next, question number 5. The coordinates of the vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Find the coordinates of the center of its circumcircle and the circumradius. Let A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle with coordinates 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1. Here we have to find the circumcenter and circumradius of this triangle. So first we have to check which type of triangle is this, because circumcenter is different for each triangle. It may be inside, outside or on for different triangles that you have already learned in your 9th standard. So first we have to find the length of the sides. We have to find the length of AB. Here the coordinates of A and B are given. In the given coordinates, the x coordinate and y coordinates are different. So we have to use the distance formula root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 the whole square. 1 minus 2 the whole square equal to minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square equal to 1 plus 2 minus 3 the whole square equal to minus 1 the whole square, and it is equal to 1. Root of 1 plus 1 equal to root 2. Next we have to find the length of BC, which is equal to root of 2 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square. 3 minus 1 the whole square. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square equal to 4. So root of 1 plus 4 equal to root 5. Next we have to find the length of AC. Okay. Here the coordinates of A and C are 1, 2 and 3, 1. So, difference in x coordinate equal to 1 minus 3 the whole square root of 1 minus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 1 the whole square. Difference in y coordinates equal to 2 minus 1 the whole square. 1 minus 3 the whole square is minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 square, which is equal to 1. And root of 4 plus 1 equal to root 5. Here AC equal to BC, which means it is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, which means it is an isosceles triangle. So the circumcenter lies inside the triangle.